Today we're putting together this Be Happy Aldi truck. It has 212 pieces and I bought this at Aldi for $7.99, I believe. And it goes along with the Aldi building. And I admit this is the second time I'll be building this because I did get excited and already built it, and then I took it all apart and now I'm building it again a little while later. I did a couple things where, these are stickers, so of course I already placed these stickers down. And I did a couple experiments where on one side of the truck I laid the stickers as close as possible to each other so there's no gaps at all. And then the next one on the other side, I tried to place the stickers individually on each of the pieces. So these are kind of stuck together because I put them so close together. Oop, but yeah, you can still pry them apart, but there's like a little edge that is sticky. So I like to keep them together so they don't like accumulate dust or anything. But these, I think it turned out about the same. See, if you do it like individual pieces with no overhang in the stickers, there's like a little bit of a gap in between these pieces, but not really enough to be noticeable. So it seems like either like method is perfectly fine. So let's start building this one again. And I do really like this set. Once I built it, yeah, it was solid. Nothing was weird or warped. It was nice and flat. All the wheels worked really well. So I'm excited to build it again because it has been a little while since I tore it apart. And that's the fun of Lego, you can like take things apart, rebuild it, turn it into something brand new. So, okay, there's like 3 open dots here. So we're going to put the white starting on the 4th dot. Okay, next we need this piece and then 2 2x3s. Okay, and this piece goes right on the end. And this goes here and here. Okay, we need a white, 2 white 1x4s. Okay, here we go. And then a flat looks like a 2x4. Yep. Okay, so it looks like the 1x4s stack on top of each other over here. And then the 2x4 goes here. Okay, we need 6 of these, 2, 4, and 6. Oh, turn this over. And that goes right here. And this goes, it looks like right up against this corner. And then there's like a little gap in between here, like that. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 should be open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like almost like 4.5. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay, step 5. We need these 2. And then 4 of the little like white benches. Okay, so we put this here. And here. Here. And like that. Okay, and that looks like it's going right in this seam here. So we can keep these 2 pieces together. Like that. Okay, we need 2 more of these gray pieces, and then 2 of these. Oop. Okay, and these, it looks like there's a little gap in between this one and this one. So I'm just gonna like put it right in the middle here. Okay, step 7, we need this piece. 2 of these, and then 2 white 1x1s. So looks like the 1x1s go on the ends here. And then these go on top of the 1x1s. Oh. Like that. Okay. Now we're turning this over. Oh, this is still turned over too. And it goes like right in here. Is that right? Let's look at the picture. Yep, that looks right. Okay, next we need 2 of these. They just go like that. And that. Okay, now we need this big white piece. 1 long piece. And then 2 more 1x4s. Okay, where is this pointing? I think this is pointing right on the end. So we're going to put these here. And then the big white one goes like that. And then this long one goes right here. Okay, step 10. We need this square. Oh, and then we're going to make the steering wheel. Okay, this goes on here. You can spin it. Okay, this looks like it's right on here. And then the steering wheel goes right behind it. Okay, step 11, we need this piece. And then 2, oh, these 2. So these just go right on top of here. Okay, next we need a black 2x4 and black 1x2s. We need 2 of them. Oh, it's up here. Okay, wait. Oh, it's facing this way. Okay, let's start with this one. The red arrow is going right here. So I'm guessing these go on the ends just on the white piece. And then the second dot is lining up with this dot. So it's like that. Oops. Okay, we need 2 black elbows, like these, or like it's boomerangs. Elbows, I like to call them elbows. And 2 1x2s. Okay, so we got the elbow. Okay, and then the other elbow. Okay, so this one goes down here, and this one goes like that. Okay, step 14, we need a 1x4, this one, and then 6 grates, and this one. Okay, this one goes right here, and then the 6 grates go like this. 4, 5, and 6. Okay, step 15, we need 2 of these little guys. And then one guy that's a 1x2 with like a bar on the side. Oh, him. Okay, so the bar, it looks like it goes in the middle. And then here, go like that. There. Okay, now we need a flat piece like this, and then 2 clear yellow dots. So the flat piece goes here, and then the yellow dots go right here, little headlights. Okay, step 16. This looks like the front of the truck. Okay, this goes right in here. There. All right, step 18, we need these 2 long pieces and a 1x4. Okay, looks like the 1x4 goes down here. And then these 2 long pieces goes on the side right here. Oh, that's not pushed all the way in. That one isn't either. There. Okay, step 19, we need 3 1x4s, the tall versions. This one goes up here. These 2 go right here. Okay, step 20, we need a flatter 1x4, and then 2 of these tall guys. Okay, I think these go here. Oh! Come on. There you go. There. And then this piece, oh, goes right across here. Okay, step 21, we need the doors. Oh, here they are. 2 doors, 2 wedges. Okay, this door goes here, and this door goes here. So we have the little handle sticking outward. And we got a wedge here, and another wedge here. Okay, we need this long piece. Okay, this one with the 2 dots. So we have a larger one with 4 dots, 2 windows, and 2 window panes. Okay, we're going to stick the kind of slightly blackish, but still transparent window panes. So it gives them a little bit of privacy. So these go back here. And this goes, wait, I think this one goes back here. And that one, it looks like it's lining up right against this wedge piece, like that. Okay, step 23, we need the windshield, and then 2 more of these tall guys. Tall guys stack on top of each other. And let's see, where is this pointing? It's pointing right here, and it's lining up to here. Does it kind of go like that? Oh no, in the next picture, the 2 dots here are exposed, so it needs to go back 1. Okay, next we need 2 1x2s with a claw at the end. So these guys. 2 1x2s with like a bar on the end. These guys, and then 2 wedges. Okay, so we have this, and then wedge, and then this side goes like this and wedge. Go here. So now you have like side view mirrors. Okay, next 1x2 with a bar. Oh, we need 2 of them. And then 1x2. Okay, so these guys go here. And then the little white, oh, okay, this one just goes right in here. Next we need this guy and this other flat guy. Okay, and this goes back here. Make sure everyone's squished down. Oh, he needs to be squished down some more. Okay, next step, this dude, and then 2 1x1 dots. Okay, so 2 wedges and then 2 curved wedges. So the curved wedges goes on the sides of this curved piece here. And then the regular wedges just go in front. Like that. Ooh, here comes the wheels. Okay, so we need 6 wheels and 6 hubcaps. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, and 6. Oh, so we just stick. I guess it doesn't really matter which direction it goes in. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are super rubbery, so it slips in pretty easy. 5 and 6. Okay, and the side that's facing inward, it looks like the ones with like the circles, and the ones facing out, it has a big indent. So we're going to do it like the picture where the circles faces inward. All right, step 30. Oh, the pieces are under me. Okay, let's move them a bit. There. Okay, what size is this? There's like 2 different sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots across. Oh, they both have 6 dots across. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, and we need this, and then 2 blue elbows. Okay, got this, this, and this. Okay, and then we need 2 of these and 2 of these. So we put them together. Oh, and we also need 2 blue 1x1s. So, okay, it looks like the 1x1 goes here and here. And, okay, so these are closed, but the hinge is facing out. So you can open it like that. And then this one, same thing, hinge is facing out. So you can open it like that. Okay, 4 1x2s. And we just kind of stack 2 on top of each other here. and then stack 2 on top of each other on the other side, leaving these to still be able to swing open. Okay, step 33, we need 2 1x3s and then 2 flat 1x1s. Okay, so we're just kind of putting this down here and this down here. So, oh, put this here and this here so we can still swing them out. Okay, step 34, we need 2 1x2s and a flat 1x3. So the 1x2s goes over here. Oh, we need 2 1x3s, and then the 1x3s goes on top of the doors here. Still swing them open. Okay, we need 2 1x2s with like this little doodad sticking out, and then 2 1x2s. Okay, we've got the doodad and the doodad, and then the 1x1 here, and the other 1x1 over here. Okay, we need 2 1x3s. Okay, they go on the top of the doors too. We need 2 tall 1x2s and 2 regular 1x3s. Okay, so the tall guys go here, and the regular 1x3s goes on top, like that. All right, step 38. We need 2 more of these, and 2 more of these, and 4 1x1s. Put these 2 together. Okay, is this right? Okay, so we want that. We want one of the 1x1s here. And then the other one down here. Okay, let's close the doors, and we need 1 here and 1 on the other door. There. So now it's all even. Okay, so I think these are the backs of these. Okay, this one. Okay, let's put this one here. And then this one is going to be flipped. So let's flip these over so that this one is the same. See how they're the same but mirrored? So this one could be here. So I would suggest to not put the stickers on first, because you might get a little confused putting these on. I originally just, followed the instructions and put them on blank when I first built this, but I guess you could just do whatever you want, whatever you feel like doing. Oh, okay. We need one of the long ones and then 4 of these. So we're going to take the next 2. Oh, can I pull this one apart? Will it let me? Oh man, that was really on there. Okay, we're going to skip one of the dots and then just put this here. Okay, same thing, since these are already flipped, let's make sure they are the mirror images, and yes they are. Let's put this on the other side. And actually, if I would do this again, see how like one of these has text on it? I would put the sticker over top of the text. let's make sure, see, that one's kind of popping up a little bit, so let's squeeze that down. There. All right, so that was step 40. And then next we connect these two like that. Wait, this looks funny. Oh, this one isn't squeezed down. There we go. Make sure the stickers aren't like flipping up. Okay, next we need 3. So these last 2 and then one that's blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dots. So it's the longer one. 3, 6, 9, 10. Okay. All right. It looks like we're going to skip 3 dots and then put these on the 4th one. So we got 3 open dots. Okay, and make sure these guys are mirror images of each other, and they are. Okay, and then this guy, the blank one, just goes right there. Okay, and we're gonna put these together. Make sure I'm not damaging the stickers. There. Okay, now we're gonna cover the top. Is the shorter one in the middle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, the shorter one's in the middle, and then they have 2 long ones on the ends. Wait, this looks, did I skip a step? That looks flat. I did. Oh, right here. Okay, step 39. I got too focused on the like large panels. So we have elbow here, elbow there, and then 2 flat 1x3s right on top. Make sure the doors can still open. Okay, now we're going back to a 42. Okay, so we have a long one here. Put it on top. And the shorter one in the middle. Make sure these are aligning. Yep. Okay, squeeze down. And wait. This should be shifted once. Because see how that's overhanged? That should not be happening. Yeah, it's going through the second dot to right here. So we put this here, but since we have flat pieces here, we can still open the door. Okay, middle one goes here, and then the last longer one fits perfectly here, so there's no overhang. Okay, step 42. I'm going to put these flat pieces here. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we have 2 shorter ones that just go right on the end. And my box, it did come with an extra piece, so he's just gonna hang off to the side. Okay, next, oh, we're turning this over. So the doors are over here. This goes like right up to the edge, I think. We need a 1x4, I mean 2x4, a 1x3, this little wedge guy, and then a smaller little wedge guy. All right, so this one looks like it's on the seam, but it goes over one dot. And then this guy flips over. Actually, this guy looks like, they're over the side here. Here, here, and, oh wait, did I do that wrong? I did. It needs to be one over, like this. There. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. One of these, and one of these. So here, here, oh, wrong side, and here. Okay, so we need 4 of these little wheel guys, and they go on top. Okay, here, and then it looks like on the other end, right here. Okay, make sure everybody's squeezed down correctly. Okay, we need this long piece, 3 of these, 3 black, oh, 3 black benches, 2 grates, and then 2 headlights, or I guess backlights in this case. Okay, so we take this, and then these go right on the bottom. Oh, wrong way. Blink and blink. Okay. And then on the top, we have these little black benches. We have the grates in the middle. Oh. They're the black. Are they the black grates? Yeah, I think, yeah, because these are gray. And there's only 2 black grates, I think. So they go in the back with the back lights. And then this attaches like here. Is it that, or is it like this? Let's see what it looks like in the next picture. Oh yeah, it's nice and flat flush against here. I kind of like it here because it's like the delivery guys can step up here and then step up here. Let's see. Because this is like Lego person sized. Yeah, he can fit in there. So like, boink, boink. Yeah, like, who can like jump all the way? Well, I guess that works too. You'll just have to really reach for these doors though. Well, I'll build it like it looks in the picture first. And, you know, it's always fun to have your own touch on any of your builds. I do like having a slight difference if, you know, something seems more logical or just looks more appealing to you individually. You know, nobody else needs to like it. The only thing that matters is this is your build, and, you know, you're building it for yourself, so might as well build how you enjoy it. Okay, now we're gonna put these 2 pieces. Oh, Emmett, what are you doing? Uh-oh, hair's coming off. Okay, so this piece goes onto here. Snaps on there. It's not, it can like swing back and forth. Okay, and the last step is to put the stickers on, but since I've already done that, that's it. And there we go. I really like it. Because the wheels, it has these grooves, it does make a, you know, like a noise across the table. But you know what? Trucks are noisy. And I wouldn't say the ride is smooth. Not like this guy. We're going over this this like groove here. But still, I really like it. I like how it like moves like a real truck. To do turns, you know, you have to do what the truck does and do the wide turns. Oh, get out of the way. So there we go. Here's the Aldi truck, and it's so big. It's much bigger than I was expecting when I first built this, because I think I did build the store first, and I'm like, okay, how big is the truck going to be? Probably about this long, but like, look at this thing. How big is it compared to the box? Oh yeah, it's much bigger than the box. So imagine you're like at the store and this giant truck that's almost the same height as the store just rolls up. So the store, I wonder if you can buy like a second one to make it a little bigger and taller. Aldi stores are pretty small, and that's kind of the charm of them. But yeah, if I bought 2 of these and combine them, I think they'd be a much better scale compared to the truck. So let's put Emmett in here. Oh, let's pop off the top. It'll probably be easier to put him in here. Okay, there's no seat, so I guess he has to drive while standing. There. Oh, let's try to put 2 people in there. Okay. Here's the second person. Can they fit? And let's make it look like he's actually driving. Okay, can she fit too? Oh, I don't know if she's gonna fit. Her ponytail might be too high too. Oh no. She's a bit loose in there, but they can both fit. Okay, and I guess we can like store whatever we want in here. Oh, I have an idea. So I had bought these like, you know, mini brands. I bought something like that at Aldi. Let's see, they have like, well, these are a bit too big for the Lego figures. But it's perfect for like an Aldi truck. See, it has like all these little supplies. They're so cute, and it comes with like, it's like an actual mini mixer that you can put together. It's so cute. Oh, okay, this one in, where did this go? Like that. Okay, here's the instructions on how to put it all together. And then this goes on top. If you can like load it up with like furniture. I guess this is Lego sized furniture. It's not Lego though, but yeah, that's on scale. So we can like load the furniture in here. We can load the boxes of like, oh, does that fit? Can it fit? No, this is too big. Oh, uh-oh, there goes the side table. Here's a little KitchenAid food processor. Does that fit? There we go. We have like a little, is it a nail gun? All right, yeah, we got a lot of stuff here. We have artwork, put that in there. We have little office chair, put that in there. So it's all going to the Aldi store to be sold. Oops. Oh, this guy kind of fell apart. Well, here's a lamp and another chair. Uh-oh, it's getting full. We have this like little pot. And like a panini. Oh. Okay, it's getting full. So let's close that up. And now they're on their way to deliver the merchandise. Wild Style has to go in through the ceiling. All right. And that's the Aldi truck. Nice and full of stuff. It got a little jostled around, but that's okay. So I do like that it's pretty much on scale to the regular Lego cars. See? I guess trucks might be a little wider than a normal car, but you know, it's almost on scale, so I love this truck. He'll hang out with my Lego car on my shelves, and that's where they'll all live. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.